Hello everyone, welcome back once again in RoboJung YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build an app to control the LED connected to ESP32 board or Arduino board. So let's start the video. So I'm going to use MIT App Inventor to build this app. So this is going to be Android app. Let me just start the video. First, I'll click on Start New Project and let me just give a name to this project ESP32 LED. Okay, now this is how the basically interface is going to look. You will have user interface, you will have viewer area, you will have all component area and then properties. Okay, now let's get going. Now these, from the user interface you will have all the option to drag and drop the whatever you need for building the app. Yeah, so first of all, I need a list picker. So I'll take this because list picker is something which is going to show you all the list of Bluetooth devices, whatever is available nearby, right? Which is detected by your microcontroller. So I'm going to use ESP32 board. The reason behind I'm using ESP32 board is it has onboard Bluetooth. So I don't need external HC05 or HM10 module. Okay, so I have taken this one. Now let's rename this. I will give here, let it be list picker. This side I will just change the name from the property because I want on the screen it should be visible as scan instead of list picker. So I'll just give a name scan, or we can give Bluetooth scan. This will be more correct way to pronounce Bluetooth scan. Yes, so now you can see here it's available as Bluetooth scan. Now if you want to change the heading screen 1, so that also let me just change that title. So I'll just give Bluetooth LED app by Robo. Yeah, now you can see here it's available, it's visible like this. Okay, this is the title is visible, Bluetooth LED app. Yeah, left about the screen. If you want to change the color also we can change it, whatever color you want we can choose the color from here. Yes, now do this. Yes, alignment center. Yeah, so everything whatever you will take that will come in center. Default color, again we can choose any color, it's up to you, us basically. Yeah, background image I don't want to put anything. Okay, let's come back to this list picker. Okay, list picker is done. Now I need on off button, so I'll take button 1, button 2, and let's rename this quickly. So this one is going to be on button, so on, and then this is going to be off button, so I'll give off. Yeah, on off. So everything is done. I just need a label also. Why label? Because label is going to show me whether the Bluetooth device has been connected or not. So let's give a name here. This will be initially empty because once it will be connected I'll just write connected. Yeah, so this is what something which I need. I'll go back to block section. So let's start the coding things. First, when you start the app, it's going to scan everything. So I'll go to list picker. In the list picker you need this before picking the list what actually it has to show. One more thing I forgot to take, which is Bluetooth. So Bluetooth will be available in the connectivity. So connectivity, and then take this Bluetooth client. So always remember this Bluetooth client is non-visible component, so it won't be appeared on the screen. It will be appeared here in the component area. Now we'll go back to block section. Now whenever you, before you pick any element, it has to show all the list of Bluetooth devices. So we will go in this. Yeah, where is list picker? Yeah, set list picker element to, it will show all the list of Bluetooth devices, right? Address and names. So address and names, that's fine. Yeah, Bluetooth client 1, address and names. This is how it will basically show everything. Now after once you pick the element, so again we'll take this. After picking, what it's going to do, it will basically in control, I'll take if else, and then you have to take, if you have chosen the Bluetooth address from the list, again you have to go in list picker, and then whatever you have selected, okay, so list picker selection, whatever you have selected, once you click on that, once you pick that thing, then it's going to print on the label it's connected. So label is basically text, right? So this is going to write, we will write connected. So once you choose the correct Bluetooth device, we will write connected. Connected. Yeah, this is done. Now we will go to the button. So when you click on button 1 is basically for on. So if you click on button 1, then we are going to send something. What we are sending, we will send one character, we will send one text. What that text is, that is basically we will send a text. Let's send true T, and then I'll just duplicate this block and I will make it button 2, and then instead of T we will send F means false. So if you click on button 1, it will send T. If you click on button 2, which is off button, it will send F. So this is the code. Now after completing the code, now this is ready to connect. Go to connect and go to AI companion. This is going to generate a QR code. In your phone now, you have to open MIT AI2 companion app from your Android phone. Do remember you need an Android phone for this, and on your Android phone you should have MIT App Companion. Okay, now I'll click on scan QR code. I'm going to scan this. Yes, once you scan, it takes some time, 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, so once the scanning will be completed, you will see all those buttons which you have taken already. So now it is showing my app, it is showing the name Bluetooth LED app by RoboJung. I'm going to click on Bluetooth scan. Now after basically doing all these things, do remember you need a code. So I have the code over here already. This is the code for ESP32 board. I'm using ESP32 board, you can see, and the board is already connected to my laptop. This code you can grab from the description given below. I have attached the link of the code. So basically what this code is going to do, there is a LED connected to GPIO2 pin number 2 of the ESP32 board, and what I'm doing, I'm just receiving the command coming on the Bluetooth. So this C equal to character, it's going to receive a character, and because I'm sending two characters T and F, right, so that's what I'm going to receive. I'm reading this and I'm printing on serial monitor. Okay, this code is already uploaded, so I'll just open serial monitor. You can see code is already uploaded. I'll just open serial monitor. Okay, and from the app I'm going to scan the Bluetooth device. Bluetooth device name is RoboJung ESP32. You can see here the Bluetooth name is RoboJung ESP32. That's what is showing in the mobile phone. Yeah, now it is showing connected. If I click on button, it is sending T. If I'm clicking on off button, it is saying F. On T, off F. Now I just need to add few more line of code here to turn on and off the LED. If C equal to capital T, I have to turn on the LED. So for that digital write to I, yes, and next line else if C equal to F digital write too low. This is the code. Now let me upload this again to my ESP32 code. So now you can see the code is uploaded and the app is also ready here. Let me do refresh. I'll refresh this app. Yeah. Now let me do the again scanning. Go to the scan. It is roboting ESP32 showing connected. I'm going to click on and you can see the LED is on. I'm going to click on off. LED is off. Again on. LED is on. Off. LED is off. And you can see it showing connected also. Bluetooth LED app by RoboZung. Let me just show you again. On. LED is on. Off. LED is off. So similar to this, we can also control robot. We can just have some more button and we can send some characters whatever we want. We can move the robot forward, backward, left, right. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please hit a like button and do subscribe RoboZung YouTube channel for this kind of video. Thank you.